Hi, I'm Casey with Street Talk. Did you know that the City of Garland Street Department doesn't just work on streets, they also work on alleys? Across Garland, alleys needing repair are evaluated and those that warrant repair and/or reconstruction are scheduled for work. If your alley is scheduled for construction, you'll be notified by letter about 2 weeks before work is scheduled to begin. Your trash and recycling carts must be placed on the front curb on your regular collection days. You will need to move your vehicles to the street because once barricades are placed, no traffic will be allowed in or out of the alley until work is completed. Utilities will be replaced or relocated if necessary. Construction begins with the demolition of the existing pavement in the alley up to your driveway's property line. The alley base is formed and prepped, forms are placed, and about 8 inches of concrete is poured with an invert in the center to allow water to drain. Because so much work needs to be done, the city often utilizes approved contractors to construct some of the projects. Even though the concrete might look dry, it takes about 7 days for it to cure before vehicles can actually drive on it. This is important because pavement could be damaged if trash and recycling trucks drive on it before the concrete is ready. Typically, the process takes about 4 weeks, weather permitting, but each job has its own special construction challenges. Every project has a designated field supervisor who can answer questions and address concerns before, during, and after construction. Since the City Council has increased the department's funding, we've worked on 12.3 lane miles of alleys, and we've got a lot more work to do. The Street Department is spending more than $27 million on street and alley repair and reconstruction projects this year alone. Want to keep up with the latest work underway by Garland Street Department? Sign up for Street Talk, our monthly e-newsletter at garlandtx.gov. And for this month's Street Talk, I'm Casey Castro.